In this lecture, we will make a simple program that will calculate the average. So let's begin. We will take the few numbers from the user. So let's take the number 1. And now for the second number. Now we have to calculate the sum of these numbers. So let's write sum. Notice that the color is changed into blue. Basically, it is a built-in function that is used to calculate the sum. But here we are going to calculate it by using plus operator manually. So let's make it h2m and n1 plus n2 plus n3. And now calculate the average. Total sum divided by total number. And now print the average. So let's save the file and run the program. Our file name is average.py. Okay, so let's give the first input as 10 and then 20 and then 20 again. Okay, so it is giving the output 16.6666. Basically, we are using the real division, so it is giving the output in the float. But if we use the float division, let's save the file and run the program again. 10, 20. I'm giving the same input values to observe the output. Okay, so in this case, it just ignored the decimal part and giving the output 16. So, but we have to use the real division in order to get the more precise value. What if we want to round off that value, because it is giving us very large value 16.666. This is so many numbers after the decimal. So we want to round off. So we will use the built-in function round. And let's save the file and run the program again. 10, 20, 20. Okay, so this time it has rounded the number 16.66 into 17. So this is the program. We calculated the average.